Not holding VAT invoices for your purchases can cost thousands, and this is exactly what happened in the case above of Platt UK Limited, very recently going to the tax tribunal. In this particular case, this taxpayer was refused input VAT in the amount £470,000. And this was in relation to purchase invoices in the main from Harrods. There was also some other luxury stores where the purchases were obtained from. But ultimately, the absence of valid VAT invoices led to HMRC challenging the claim. Ultimately, if you want to reclaim input VAT on your VAT return, you're going to need a valid VAT purchase invoice. Now, there are circumstances in which HMRC will exercise its discretion and potentially overlook certain ambiguities and issues, but it did not do so in this particular case. And one of the reasons, there were various other reasons, but for the ones I'm going to quote, but one of the reasons was inadequate description on the purchase invoices forming the basis for the taxpayer's claim. Now, the other thing, apart from the sheer size of the amount of input VAT that was denied in this particular case, there was another notable issue, which was that the taxpayer applied for a review of the initial HMRC decision. And in fact, what actually happened was, and this is a point that demonstrates why you've got to be careful if you're going to ask for a review, potentially. In this particular instance, the review caused the taxpayer's input VAT claim that was rejected to go up to £470,000 from something in the region of about £458,000. So it went up by £12,000 as a result of the HMRC review. So the other issue in the case was the fact that the input VAT purchase invoices were not actually available or in the taxpayer's possession, it seems, at the point in time when the claim was made. And that is an important issue that resulted from this case as well. So if you are going to do input VAT claims, have the invoices, make sure they're valid at the time of the claim. Questions, queries, concerns, give us a shout. We know insolvency, it's